Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today, guys, we're going to be teaching you how to draw a basic caricature. Okay, so we're going to be using this particular technique here, which is to do my head shape first, and then from the head shape we'll do all the other features. Okay, so let's start here with our cheekbones. Let's figure out what's going on here. Okay, I'm going to use kind of almost a pentagon shape. Okay. Just pay attention. See how we did that? Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to kind of fill our shape in to make it more toward the rectangle that you see here with his head. So, okay. I will go ahead and give him, Odell has kind of small ears, so definitely wanted to get that in there. Now we're going to use the hair, his beard, right? You see that? Add that here to the bottom. Okay. Any shape correction that we need to do can be done at the end of the picture. Don't worry about getting it exactly right. Just get it in a generally how it's supposed to go, and let's move on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the top portion of the head, and I'm going to place my curls here. But as you can see here, the curls are kind of wild. Make sure you guys can see all the way up there. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and start doing our facial features. So what I would do is I would start with the eye shape first. Okay, so it's shaped like so. And now I go ahead and I'll put my brow shape. So we're going to do something like this here. Awesome. Now we're going to work on the bridge of the nose here. And my nose shape, which is going to fit right in between those cheekbones there. Okay, and now let's just add our mouth shape here. So How do we want to draw this mouth shape? This is what I would do here. Make sure we got enough space here in between the mouth and here for his beard. I'm gonna do something like this. Okay. And then we're going to add our bottom shape here. And then we're going to put our bottom lip here. And our top lip. Just add that T shape in there. Okay. And then we're going to put our little thin mustache that he has in there. Okay. And we got a pretty good shape, pretty good cartoon going on right there. Okay. So you guys should be able to see the whole thing there. I'm going to move it up and down so we can see. But right now we're going to start doing our shadowing in the face. Okay. So I'm going to start by using a gray Crayola. Just like so. So we're going to kind of darken in unnecessary lighting in the eyes. And I'm going to build my shapes using a shadow instead of using lines, because this makes your cartoon look a lot less busy. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our profile shade here. Awesome. And you can see that shadow that I put there. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little bit of shadow here in the mouth, so to give the illusion of teeth at the bottom. We don't want these teeth to show too much, so I'll just do it like that. Alright. Now, we pretty much have our drawing licked, so the next part of our drawing is going to be, I'm going to take my Amazon Basic marker, and I'm going to color in the darks where I want them to be at. So you see what happens here. This marker, the Crayola, puts out a lighter line. If you could really look at it, the line here is lighter than this, but that's something that I like to use to my advantage once again. Okay. To get a really good likeness to my reference. And you're going to really be able to appreciate this as we start working toward the beard shape. So what I would want to do here, I'll take a big marker like this one. This way we won't be here all day. Okay, remember I told you all shape correction can be accomplished at the end of the drawing. So any kind of edging up or whatever you want to do, you got to think about it kind of like sculpting. You know, you get an overall idea and then you start chopping away unnecessary this or that and then you fine tune it at the end. So that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use that approach. So I'm gonna go here real quick. Also, I just actually left out something here. Let's go back for a minute with our gray. And I want to make that gray come all the way up to here, and you'll kind of see why I did that in a minute. Okay. So I'm gonna take this marker here once again. And I'm gonna kind of color around. I'm gonna make a little border here, right? And then I'll bring that border down. Like this here. Good show. And then up here, watch, I can use the same marker. I'm gonna move it down some. And I can create those curls in the hair by simply pressing less darker. I don't apply a lot of pressure here. Don't want to do that. Okay. Now, let us go back with this Sharpie. This is a Sharpie chisel tip, and this would be to kind of just really get those darks in. You know what I'm saying? Get that hairline in there real nice. Okay. Also, to fill in our beard so that you can see better texture there. Okay. And now I'm just going to take the chisel part of it and this is where I kind of give him an edge up. See what I'm saying? Shape correction can be accomplished at the very end of the drawing. Go ahead and add a few more curls here to the outside, maybe a few within there, so you can see what I'm doing. I'll just I'm about to move my paper up and down since I had already started with the next time. I'll know to move my camera up just a little bit so I won't have to do it that way, but either way it came out good. Alright guys, so there you have it. So all I have to do now is just sign my work, so I'll go ahead and sign it right here. I want to take this time guys to thank you for watching our video tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like to see your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, just go ahead and make a request here on the request line. We'll go ahead and put you on the request list and see if we can't make a video to teach you how to do that drawing at home on your own. Okay? So guys, you have a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.